Alright, that's where we came from. And we're going to approach the tanks. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of the path. So I never knew that these little structures here are actually to help you guide the way when there's no signs. So I'm just going to follow him for a little bit. I have no idea where I'm going, except these little guys. Keep looking for them. What the fuck is this trail? I see another one. Let's go to the right now. Where the hell am I going? I guess I'm gonna just climb. Sure. Oh, there's some more. Must be going the right way. Well, hi. Ain't that a nice view? Whew. Keep climbing, guys. Oh, that is a lovely view. But that's not what we came for. Well, technically it is. Ah, fucking fly just bit my ass. Whoa. How's that for a view? Alright. Keep climbing. Whoa, okay. I'm going all the way up there. Into the flats. Damn. We'll get back to it. Alright, so we're approaching the pools. Keep following these little guys right here. And heading into a gorge where it's really, really sandy. So I think that's an indication that there's got to be waters, especially if you hit bedrock. Footprints, always a bonus. Let's see. Hey, there's a little one. Pool. Wouldn't call it a bath by any means. Hey, now he's gorgeous. He's not bad. Let's get a bit of viewpoint. Yeah, he's nice. Let's go up there. And hopefully I don't fall. Oh, there goes my water bottle. Oh, at least we didn't have to trek all the way into those hills. Oh, he's dried out. A little bit. Not bad. Not bad at all. This is why I love the desert. We were just up there at those pools. Instead of climbing all the way back through that, thought I'd take a little detour and see what was down, you know, the bouldery end of the runoff. And lo and behold, more bedrock, change in elevation. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Oh, got it. Look at that. All the way down. Now that is a real pool. They weren't lying. Be beautiful when it has a waterfall going. And you can see from this angle, pool with an arch all the way out.